Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast Fix channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to hide message notifications on Instagram. So first, you need to open up your Instagram app as you can see on your screen, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then here it goes my profile page. Now next is tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then tap on settings and privacy. Now, under the settings and privacy, you will find the notifications options right there. And then here on notifications, you have so many options right here to hide or turn off these notifications. So you can also post all or pause the notifications up to 8 hours. Or you can go right here on quiet mode. So you can set up the notifications right here. Or if you want specific that you want to hide message notifications, you get go here on messages, and all you need to do is just toggle off or just check that off on this message notifications, so you won't be notified any message on this Instagram. And the next one that you can going to do to hide the message notifications is from your phone settings. So go ahead on your settings right here, and you can also use this search bar to find that notifications, or you can go directly on that notifications and control center and go to app notifications, and then find the Instagram right here. So find the Instagram app, scroll down, or you can use again the search box right there and type the Instagram right here, and there you go. So tap that one. So if you want to toggle on, you will receive notifications. So if you want to hide message notifications, just toggle this off. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.